Did you know that stiffness and weakness in your legs each morning is not an inevitable sign of aging? In fact, the main reason often comes from your tissues losing elasticity because they are not being moved in the right way every day. This makes muscles shorten joints less flexible and blood circulation slow down. The result is heaviness, aches, and a gradual loss of confidence in every step you take. But here is the good news. With just 10 minutes a day of simple, gentle movements, you can restore flexibility, reduce discomfort, and regain the strength in your legs. No medication, no expensive equipment, just safe stretches that fit every fitness level. In today's video, I will share 5 isometric stretches that every older adult should practice each morning. These are backed by science to improve mobility, reduce the risk of falls, and bring a lasting sense of lightness to your entire body. Before we start, I would love to know where you are watching from. Please leave your country or city in the comments. And if you find this content helpful, remember to subscribe so we can continue this journey of health and well-being together. Exercise number 1, cat-cow. The cat-cow movement is one of the simplest yet most complete exercises for the spine, especially for older adults. Do not let its gentle appearance fool you. With just a few breaths and coordinated movements, you are activating an entire chain of muscles and joints from the neck all the way to the tailbone. Cat-cow alternates between 2 positions, one where the back rounds upward like a stretching cat, and one where it arches downward like a relaxed cow. This sequence allows each vertebra to move gently, lubricating the joints, reducing friction, and preventing degeneration. Not only does it work your back muscles, it also engages the deep core stabilizers, helping you stand taller, ease lower back tension, and release stiffness in the neck and shoulders. Science shows that moving the spine in this way increases the synovial fluid that nourishes the discs, keeping them hydrated and resilient. This means less pain-reduced risk of spinal stenosis and better mobility as you age. Cat-cow also has a powerful effect on your nervous system. When you inhale and arch the back, then exhale and round it, you stimulate the vagus nerve. This helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone, release muscle tension, and calm the mind. Many people even report better sleep when doing this stretch at night. To practice, start on your hands and knees with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale as you drop your belly, lift your head and hips. Exhale as you round your back, drop your head toward your chest and gently draw your belly in. Repeat for 1 minute, moving slowly and letting your breath guide you. There is no need to push your body too far. With consistency in just a few weeks, you may notice less morning stiffness, improved posture, and a steadier step. It is the perfect way to wake up your body in the morning and a wonderful relaxation tool before bedtime. If you are watching up to this point, type the number 1 in the comments to let me know you care about your spinal health too. Now that the back and central axis of your body are awake, we will move to the next exercise, one that makes your legs feel lighter and circulation flow better. Calf stretch. Exercise number 2, calf stretch. The calf stretch is often overlooked, yet it plays a vital role in keeping you moving comfortably, maintaining balance, and reducing the heaviness in your legs. Your calves, often called the second heart, act like natural pumps that help push blood back up to the heart. When they lose flexibility and strength, circulation slows, leading to swelling, fatigue, and night cramps. The calf muscles are made up of 2 main parts, the gastrocnemius and the soleus. They hold you steady when standing, propel you forward when walking or climbing stairs, and help you keep your balance. But over time, if you sit or stand still for long periods, these muscles shorten and lose elasticity. This allows blood to pool in the lower legs, causing swelling, discomfort, and reduced strength when moving. The calf stretch releases this tightness, improves ankle mobility, supports blood flow, and helps prevent falls. Research shows that regular calf stretching can also reduce pressure on the Achilles tendon and the plantar fascia, helping prevent common foot problems. Here is how to do it. Standing version. Step 1, leg back, keep your heel firmly on the floor, and bend your front knee slightly. Lean forward gently until you feel a stretch in the calf of the back leg. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds on each side. Seated version. Use a towel around your foot and gently pull your toes toward you. Remember to breathe deeply and never force the stretch. Doing this daily can make your legs feel lighter, reduce night cramps, and improve your balance. Stretching after a walk or light activity can make it even more effective. If you have ever experienced night cramps or that heavy feeling in your calves, type the word light in the comments to share your goal of having lighter for your legs. With your legs now unlocked and your blood flowing better, it is time to move to another important area. The hips. The next stretch. Butterfly will help restore their flexibility, stability, and reduce strain on both your lower back and legs. Exercise number 3, butterfly. As the years go by, many people notice it becomes harder to walk briskly, climb stairs, or even rise from a chair. One common reason often overlooked is hip stiffness. The hips are the central pivot of the entire lower body. When they lose flexibility, every movement from walking to bending and turning becomes limited and less stable. This stiffness often develops from sitting too long, moving too little, or not stretching the hips properly. Over time, the soft tissues surrounding the hip joint, such as tendons, ligaments, and fascia, lose elasticity. You begin to feel heavy, restricted, and as if your movements are trapped. This is where the butterfly stretch becomes the key to restoring freedom of motion. The butterfly is performed by sitting with the soles of your feet together and knees gently opening to the sides. As you bring your heels closer toward your body, the inner thigh muscles, known as the adductors, are stretched. This increases the range of motion in the hips, reduces pressure on the lower back, and supports a steadier posture. Studies in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy show that maintaining hip flexibility can reduce the risk of falls, improve trunk stability, and ease chronic lower back pain. The stretch also promotes blood circulation in the legs, which helps relieve swelling and fatigue. To practice, sit up straight with the soles of your feet pressed together. Hold your feet with your hands and allow your knees to open naturally to the sides. If the stretch feels too intense, place pillows under your knees. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply, and allow your hips to open little by little. There is no need to push your knees to the floor. By doing this every day, you may find your steps feeling lighter, your hips moving more freely, and a greater sense of stability when standing. This is not just an exercise, it is a way to keep your hips youthful and ready for movement. If you want your hips to be more flexible, type the number 2 in the comments. Your share might inspire someone else to start caring for their hips today. Now that your hips are unlocked and your legs are ready, we move on to a stretch that not only releases deep tension, but also soothes the mind. Child's pose is the gentle pause your body and spirit will appreciate. Exercise number 4, child's pose. Child's pose is one of the gentlest stretches you can do, yet it brings deep benefits to both body and mind. For older adults, it is more than just an exercise. It is a moment of calm where your body can rest, release, and heal itself. The position starts by kneeling and sitting back on your heels. Then slowly bend forward until your forehead rests on the floor or on a soft cushion. Your arms can stretch forward in front of you or rest alongside your body, depending on what feels most comfortable. As you settle into the pose, your lower back, hips, and shoulders begin to release the tension they have been holding. From a physical perspective, child's pose provides a passive stretch to the muscles along the spine, the glutes, and the hip joint capsule without demanding much effort. This is especially helpful for people with joint issues or limited mobility. At the same time as you fold forward, pressure in the abdomen decreases, allowing your diaphragm to expand more fully and your breathing to slow and deepen. Science shows that relaxation poses like child's pose activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and recovery mode. This helps lower heart rate, stabilize blood pressure, and encourage the release of feel-good hormones like serotonin and oxytocin. Many people find that ending the day with this pose helps them sleep more deeply and quiets the mind. If you feel discomfort in your knees or ankles while kneeling, place a blanket under your legs or between your thighs and abdomen for support. The key is never to force the stretch. Allow your body to open at its own pace. Just 1 to 2 minutes a day in this position can ease tension in your lower back, soften your hips, and give your entire body a sense of relief. It is a chance to listen to your body, feel each breath, and let go of stress. If you enjoy peaceful, calming moments like this, type the word calm in the comments. Your share might encourage someone else to make time for themselves each day. Now that your body and mind have relaxed deeply, it is time for the final stretch. The supine twist will release pressure from your lower back, improve spinal flexibility, and leave you feeling refreshed right after you do it. Exercise number 5, supine twist. The supine twist is one of the most effective and therapeutic stretches for releasing tension in the lower back, improving posture, and gently awakening the spine. For older adults, when the spine becomes less flexible and the back muscles remain tight, this movement feels like a natural, gentle adjustment that restores comfort and mobility. To begin, lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Bring one knee toward your chest, then gently guide it across your body toward the opposite side, keeping both shoulders pressed into the floor. Your arms can extend out to the sides with palms facing down. Breathe deeply and slowly, letting gravity and your breath guide the twist rather than forcing it. As you twist, the spine decompresses, naturally reducing pressure between the vertebrae, especially in the lower back. Studies in the Spine Journal show that gentle spinal rotations, like the supine twist, help improve joint lubrication, keep the discs hydrated and flexible, and release tightness in the muscles along the back. This is important for preventing chronic back pain and keeping a healthy range of motion. Beyond the physical benefits, this stretch also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing the body to shift into a state of rest and recovery. The deep, slow breathing during the twist activates the vagus nerve, helping to lower cortisol levels and calm the mind. It also stimulates the abdominal area, supporting digestion and relieving discomfort from bloating, which is common in those who are less active. You can adjust the stretch by placing a pillow under your bent leg if you feel too much tension in the hip or knee. Hold each side for 30 seconds to 1 minute, repeating 2 to 3 times. The key is to listen to your body and avoid pushing beyond your comfort. With regular practice, many people notice their lower back feels lighter, walking becomes easier, and their posture improves. It is an ideal way to finish a morning stretch routine or to relax in the evening before bed. If you want your back to feel lighter and more flexible, type the number 3 in the comments. Your share might inspire someone else to start caring for their spine today. Now that we have completed all 5 stretches, let us bring everything together in the conclusion, where we will connect the benefits and remind you how just 10 minutes a day can be your simple yet powerful medicine for health, confidence, and quality of life. Conclusion. In just 10 minutes a day, you have completed 5 simple isometric stretches that can completely change the way your body moves and feels. From cat-cow to awaken your spine, calf stretch to lighten your legs, butterfly to open the hips, child's pose to deeply relax, and supine twist to release lower back tension. Each movement is an investment in your health, your confidence, and your independence. The most important thing is not how long you stretch, but that you do it consistently. When your body moves regularly, your joints stay lubricated, your muscles keep their elasticity, and your circulation flows smoothly. You will find yourself walking with ease, sleeping more soundly, and feeling more uplifted in spirit. Do not think of age as a limitation. These gentle, safe exercises are exactly what help you regain flexibility and maintain control over your daily life. Remember, every time you take a moment to stretch, you are not only caring for today, you are building a strong foundation for the years ahead. If you are ready to start this journey, type the word START in the comments so I know you are joining in. And if this video has brought value to you, please subscribe to the channel for more helpful guidance on health and movement. Share this video with your family and friends, because everyone deserves to live with a body that is healthy, flexible, and full of energy.